spring already? Let's see what's inside this lovely box from FabFitFun. This is practical. Each ceramic spoon rest is hand dipped, making this one as unique as you. Oh. Let's see how it looks like inside. I need a spoon rest for the kitchen. I cook a lot. You know, a lot as in, you know, on any given week, on average, at least 3 times a week. So this is how, ooh, this is pretty big. Look at that. Wow, this is pretty big. It's good for like one of those big spoons that you're stirring stuff in. Oh, this is nice. Too bad it's not a 2 set, but this is really nice. Ooh, okay. What's next? I like that already. Very practical. The next thing, ooh, hair clips. Yes, and this brand is called Gemelli. Very nice. This is the Philip Kingsley Moisture Balancing Combination Shampoo, and I think conditioner. I'm always looking on the lookout for products that are for hair care, skin care. If you follow my channel long enough, you know this. But for our new people, yeah. Hi. How are you doing? And for my regular subscribers, hey, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. So here we go. This is the conditioner. It smells nice. It does have a scent. It's not a scent I think I've ever smelled before. It's interesting. And here is, oh, what an interesting looking bottle. This is the shampoo. Oh, look at this. A Lazy Susan. Yeah, that's what they call them. This is the one that you have on that you see in the restaurants or in certain people's homes, and you put your condiments and stuff on there, and you just turn it, you know, to whoever you want to take what they need. It's made of acacia wood. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And it's from the company Caravan. Contains 1 Lazy Susan. It's small. I was expecting it to be bigger, but this is cute. It'll definitely be used. I guess you want to see what it looks like? Why not? Let's see what it looks like. Hopefully I'll be able to open it without too much of a, oh, here we go. Oh, okay. So this is how it looks. Okay. Beautiful. And I'm assuming each one will be different simply because of the cut of the wood. And the name of the brand is right there emblazoned on the bottom. And here you see in the back. So when it's sitting on a table like this will turn. It's like, oh, would you like some condiments? They're over here. But again, this is small. I've seen them much bigger than this. Like the restaurants are much bigger than this. And I wish it was in a way, but again, to save space on the table, if I had known it was this big, if I actually bothered to like read the measurements, then I probably would have gotten 2. The next thing I have in here is from Pharmacy, Honey Halo. And I wasn't sure if I was going to get this. This is their Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. Ooh, nice. And this is full size. Oh, it is. It's magnetized. The little applicator. That is genius. And there it is. Let's see how it looks inside. With the lid. This is the protective cover. It just smells like lotion. It doesn't smell like aromatic like honey or beeswax. It doesn't really have a scent. It just smells like lotion, like a lotion smell, if that makes sense. Okay, and then I'm gonna, oh, it's very thick though. I like how they pour it in and it has that little, and it kind of melts when you make contact with it with your skin. Oh, and it goes right into the skin. A little goes a long way, and it goes right in. And it feels really nice. It doesn't feel waxy. It doesn't feel like heavy. My skin seems to like it, so I can't wait to try it. And I love, that's ingenious. That way you never lose the applicator. Because I have some that I came with an applicator, but I couldn't tell you where the applicator went. And they're tiny, they get lost easy. All right, the next thing in here. Ooh, what's this, I wonder? It's from Skin & Company. Sicilian Light, made in Italy. Dare I say, is it a candle? Deep Cleansing Botanical Balm. Love, love, love. Oh, skincare. You know me in skincare. If you've been following my channel long enough, you know the drill. Skin & Co. So there's the company name. That's the packaging. It is glass. Maybe this is something I'll stick in the fridge. I don't know. Nah, it's just a cleansing balm. Oh, okay. So I guess it moved during shipping. But look, you see that? It's a whole, yeah, it looks like, yeah, something. Maybe it just got jostled in shipping. It has a, I smell something. Oh, and it's like jelly. It's pretty, it comes across almost like petroleum jelly, to be honest. It has a unique scent, so I think that's where the Sicilian part comes from. It smells like it has a spice in it, but I can't place what it is. But if I have time, I will post the ingredient list for this. I'm pretty sure everything in here is clean and healthy. And again, yeah. It didn't have a protective cover, which is odd. Yeah. Okay. Just was a little hard to open, so I had to be careful with closing this because there we go. Ta-da. What else? We still have some more stuff in here. What? Something from Kate Spade. Because I know that it gave me an option to choose some things, and I think I said just to surprise me. Maybe this is a surprise me element because I don't normally order jewelry, but yeah, this is a jewelry option. This is from Kate Spade, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in here. So this is this must be the surprise element. Look how I see blue, I see green, I see a bit of yellow, orange, and next thing I have here is a cuticle cream from London Town. What? Never heard of the brand, but you know. It mentions probiotics, moisture, shea butter, vegan. Okay. Hydration. Okay. It says it's a cuticle cream pen, a light luxe cream infused with powerful probiotics and rice water to help hydrate dehydrated cuticles. You know, I can't tell you the last time I did anything with my nails. I used to be that girl that would go to the salon once a week. When I was working in an office, it was easier because then after work or during lunch hour, you would just go. This is how it looks. This doesn't press down, so I don't know if that's an effect, but that's what it looks like. Can you see that? Almost looks like one of those wax pens that I've used for my eyebrows to like apply the wax, but this is not that. It feels like a silicone-y flat applicator head. Can you feel that? It feels a little plasticky. Interesting. And I think last but certainly not least, I think is from, where's this from? Winky Looks. Ooh, this is lip oil. Ooh, nice. I love the packaging. This feels rather solid, but it could be plastic. Okay, does it have a scent, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know. I thought I caught a whiff of something, but then it quickly disappears in the air. But I can definitely use a lip oil. These last few weeks of winter have really been doing a number on my lips. And a couple of times they came close to cracking right here in the normal usual spot for me, and I just catch it just in time by applying a bunch of lip balm, but even then I have to be careful and keep reapplying. But it's a flat applicator. Can you see that? Flat applicator, clear. It seems to have like a caramelly scent, Again, if you're sensitive to any kind of scent, this may not be for you. It's light, but I catch it, like a whiff of it, and then it disappears. So I don't know. But if you're fragrance sensitive, then you may not want to try it. But it goes on okay. Feels a little like putting on like a sugar, but it doesn't have those bits in it. It just feels a bit like syrupy in a way on the lips, like a lip gloss, but I'm not hating it. Oh, this is so sweet. Some stickers from FabFitFun as well. Glasses, skateboard. It reads spring 2022. Let the good times roll with sunglasses and the sun. Very hopeful, very bright, very, oh, and of course the peace sign right up there. What did I think of the spring FabFitFun box? I really liked it. I didn't go overboard or crazy with the add-ons. I tried to stay within the customization rules, but I did add that shampoo feature, and I'm trying to remember what else I added on, but let's see. It's the box, the Philip Kingsley Moisture Balancing Combination Shampoo and Conditioner. Oh, and the Cleansing Balm. That was also extra. Everything else, I am loving my Lazy Susan. Can't wait to put that in place. That is so cool. And the Resting Soup Spoon. Again, I've always said that FabFitFun is a true lifestyle box. I will post my link to my other FabFitFun videos somewhere here or at the end of this video. If you haven't tried FabFitFun, if you never ever tried, you can always find a code to get $10 off your very first box. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to use my coupon. If not, you can easily find it anywhere online. Even if you go to the FabFitFun channel on YouTube, they post commercials all the time giving a free code to first-time customers of FabFitFun. I have to emphasize that. They don't give it if you stop at the subscription and go back to them. They don't do that. You have to be first time, never ever tried FabFitFun. I could be wrong. If I am, let me know in the comments below, because that's information that's gonna need to know, definitely. So as far as me being a FabFitFun, it continues to delight, inspire me. The eclectic choices that are in there continue to motivate me and make me happy. I'm loving the lip oil. Gotta love it. Cuticle pen, interesting concept. You know, just these little things for beauty as well as for the house and home, which is what I've always liked about FabFitFun. What do you think of my editor's box? Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you're a FabFitFun subscriber, let me know what you got in your box. Are you an annual or a seasonal member? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure and unboxing of the latest FabFitFun for spring 2022. And I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care, stay safe. Bye.